Myself Mahatesh. I am from Muspet. I am studying BE Computer Science and Engineering at Cambridge Institute of Technology North Campus. My Samsung Innovation Project is about Indian road accidents from 1954 to 2019. At the beginning, this cell represents import OS dot get CWD. This line indicates that the OS is imported. From Kaggle, we have imported the data through the API command. It is in the form of zip file, so we should unzip using the unzip function. Now we import pandas PD. To import the data, we require a CSV file from the Kaggle. Now this is a head part of the data. It is showing the starting 4 parts of the data. Now this part is known as data information. In this we can get the data types of the data. Total there are 6 float data type and 2 integer data type, 9 object data type. Now shape of the data is 30 rows and 17 columns. In this cell it is representing the statistical data, overall, count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, percentages and maximum. Now coming to the graphs. First of all, to represent the graphs, we imported some libraries such as import pandas SPD, import matplot, lib.pyplot, plt and cbor. First of all, pandas is a important library in Python. It is used to analyze the data using data structures and visualization. And then matplot is used for static, interactive and dynamic visualization. And cbor is used for high interface graphics. Now coming to the first graph, it is showing the total number of road accidents over the years. We can see the significant increase in the graph from 1970 to 1954 in the road accident for the year. Next graph indicates the total number of persons killed over the years. In this, the highest record is 1954, that is 1,51,470 deaths, that is fatalities has happened in that year. Now coming to the next graph, number of accidents per lakh population over the years. We can see at the beginning of the years it is less because there is no traffic in the cities, but nowadays due to increase in the traffic there is a chances of accidents in the cities. Now coming to the box plot, total number of registered accidents through the motorcycles twice less than compared to per lakh population. Now coming to the total number of accidents per population of India, it is gradually increasing throughout the year from 1954 to 2019. This graph indicates as the population increases, similar to the accident of the people also increases. Now coming to the heat map, this heat map indicates us the positive or negative correlation between the variables. By this heat map we can conclude that if there is any strong positive or negative correlation between the variables. Now coming to the last, that is pair plot. This graph indicates the linear relationship between all the variables, that is total number of road accident, total number of person killed, total number of person injured, and at last population. By this we can conclude there is a linear relationship between all the variables for this data. Thank you.